My name is 𝗥𝗷𝗀𝗀 𝗏𝗏. Basically, I am a techno-commercial person. I am having 30 plus years experience in the spinning industry. And presently, I am working with the Kansal Group as a Vice President Operations. We are having the entire machines right from Blowroom to ring frame LMW machines. It is one of the best machines available as on today in the market. LMW machines are why it is best because you see the spin pack which is having edge all over the competitors. Apart from that, the productivity levels are at par with any other machinery manufacturer. Number two, it is a very reliable machines, and the machines cutting edge technology is helping us to lead the market. Number three is the flexibility, right from cotton, dyed, synthetic, grey, any variety, any kind of the material we can able to produce in the LMW machines. It is a very trustworthy brand, and it is a very long associated manufacturers. The service team, the service network is very strong, and the service is available around the clock always. All kind of technical solutions are available. My sincere thanks and regards to the LMW and the whole team. Thank you very much.